Introducing the legend, the masterpiece, the Suzuki Hayabusa, where speed meets art in perfect harmony. Powering the Hayabusa, a monstrous 1,340 cubic centimeters inline-4 engine built for unrelenting speed and heart-stopping torque. Every curve, every line, designed not just for beauty, but for cutting through the air at unimaginable speeds. Unleash the beast, Hayabusa thunders down the track, eating asphalt with ferocious acceleration. Under the neon glow, the Hayabusa becomes a ghost of speed, untouchable and unseen. In the mind of a rider, the world disappears, it's just you, the machine, and the road ahead. When the storm settles, only legends remain standing, powerful, untamed, eternal. From zero to breathtaking, the Hayabusa rockets forward like a force of nature. Even legends need to breathe, a moment of stillness before the next ride. The Suzuki Hayabusa, not just a machine, but a legend written in speed, power, and dreams.